Hey everybody, this is Manny over at Watercraft Hacks, and today I'm going to teach you how to install the BRP audio system on a 2018 Spark Trixx. Now, anything 2017 and up, you don't need the riser kit. For 2016 and below, you will need a special riser kit, and also anything 2018 and below that have the Covenience and IBR package, they're going to need a different lid for the storage bin. So make sure and do your research before you gather up all your items to get this done, and let's get this started. Here's pretty much all you're going to need in order to do this install. You're going to need, of course, the BRP audio system. You're also going to need the mounting kit for the Spark. You're going to need a drill, a 10mm socket. You got your screws right here that you're going to use that come with the mounting kit, and also you're going to need an 8mm drill bit and a 5.5mm drill bit. The 8.8 is also known as 21/64, and the 5.5mm is 7/32. You also need a Torx 30. I got a Torx 30 screwdriver right there. So let's get started. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this right here, the front cowl, or they call it the trim in the BRP instructions. If you have the storage bin here, you need to remove the cover. It'll make things a lot easier for you. Mine came without the cover. I'll be doing another instructional on that later. So basically you have a screw that's under there, and I'll post it in a picture here. It's one Torx 30 screw that's right here. And then once you get that off, there should be a clip underneath the handlebars there. All right, now what we need to do is we need to make some holes in the trim here, the cowl. You've got the two holes here. One's going to be the bottom hole first. What you want to do is right where the edge meets right there, you want to have this hole, or mark your hole, a 1/4 inch right from that bottom where these two ends meet right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go up 2 3/4 inches and make your second hole, because this part right here that goes on top of it has two holes right here that they're going to go into. So, and those are 2 3/4 inches away from each other. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this is secured onto there with the holes we just drilled. And then after that, once that's secured, we're going to mark some holes in here and here. And we're actually going to use the larger screws for the top ones and the smaller screws for the two holes that we did here in the front originally. Once we do that, then we'll move on to the next step, which will be mounting it on the actual ski. Okay, now basically what we have to do here is now we have to match this guy up here. This is going to be the anchor of the mount. Okay, now there's going to be 5 holes here that you're going to have to mark. You've got to mark this one in the middle. There's another one right here inside of here. There's another one right here. There's another one right down here. and there's another one right down here. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking a smaller Torx screwdriver that fits into the smaller holes so I can make little marks on the actual ski itself so I know where to drill. Make sure you got this lined up just right, because you want to get these holes right. So now you should have some small marks right up here. You look closer, you got little marks there. Example right there on top. See all the little marks I've got there. And now we'll start drilling. Okay, so now we've got our 5 holes, and we've got the 2 up here, we've got the small one in the middle, and we've got the 2 over here. So now we're going to mount the all the other stuff and see how it comes out. All right, everybody, now we're going to get the anchor mounted up here with the Torx screws that it came with. You should have 5 Torx screws, T30 screws. You're going to use your T30 screwdriver or bit, whatever you're going to use with the drill bit or anything you're going to tighten it up with. You just put it up here, line it up with the holes, and get it installed. All right, so now that we've got our anchor on for the entire thing, we've got all the bolts put on, we're going to put the cover on, the trim with the mount here. Should slide right in and clip into place as needed. Pretty sturdy there, and then we're going to put the Torx screw right down here. And once we do that, we're going to put the last 2 screws up on here. Those are 2 long 10mm screws that are going to go up there on the top to secure the entire thing onto it, along with the Torx screw that goes in the front. Should keep things pretty secure. We'll be right back. All right, so now that we've got the trim on, what we're going to do is we're going to get these bolts tightened up right here. And now that we've got these bolts tightened up, what we're going to do is we're going to put the radio on and see how it looks. Now, once you get everything screwed in and ready to go, all you got to do is grab your BRP Bluetooth speaker, hook it right up. Make sure you push that down to get a nice latch there. Once you hear the latch lock in, you're good to go, and you're ready for a day of cruising with some great tunes. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be posting links on how to get great prices on not only this, but also all the other accessories for your Spark.